In a small village, there was a mango tree that stood alone in an open field. The villagers complained. Some said it was too tall, others said it took too much space. A few wanted it cut down, but the tree just kept growing. Then a dry season came.
That video you just watched was created from a simple script using just one AI tool. It handles the visual, voice, editing, the motions, and everything. And in this tutorial, I will show you exactly how to do it step by step. If you are new here and you want more simple AI tutorial like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button because I break down powerful tools in a way anyone can follow. Let's get started. Welcome to Flora video, guys. This is me on my browser and the first thing I search for is agent. Make sure you click on the one that has this particular icon and sign in up here. After pressing your sign in with Google. I usually sign in with my Google account. After signing in with your Google account, it's going to pop up this question saying, what do you want to create? I choose social media video, right? Okay, after choosing this, it's brought the second question, what is your role, which is a content creator. You can also choose your role if it's a marketing or sales, anyone. And the third question, I choose I'm just trying things out for fun or for learning. That is what I choose. After that, is going to pop up this upgrade stuff, and we are not here for this because we don't want to pay for anything. So click on the cancel button to access the free version. So this is what we want to deal with. Generate a video from a prompt. It's still the same thing as generate a video from a script. Then I click on generate a video from a prompt. After that, it's going to bring this interface, and I want you to know that all this audio, avatar, and voice, they are in default mode, which you can see auto there, but you can always choose what you want by clicking on it. You can see when I click on that avatar, it's going to bring different avatar, different images you would like to use. So you can choose this is who I want to narrate my prompt, or this is what I want. Different avatars like professional settings, community lifestyles. You can choose any of them. And I want you to know that agents only allow us to generate 1 minute video per month. But by the end of this video, I will show you how to generate more than 1 minute video on agent per month. Okay, so I went back to voice. I click on this auto voice. You can also choose the voice you want with different accents. You can say agent library. I picked and it brought different voices which you can choose from. But most times I don't choose all this auto. I don't select what I want. I only leave it. Just like that. Yes, I only leave it. And the only thing I normally do is to upload who I want to narrate my video. That is, if you have somebody you want to narrate your video, you can always press that plus button, and this attachment it will direct you to your files where you are going to pick the person you yourself already have probably on your gallery. Because me, the person I want to narrate my story, I went to generate the image on Gemini because I want it to kind of align. So after picking the person, I'm waiting for it to upload up there. I already copied my story on my keyboard, so I pasted the story, and also still waiting for the person to upload. So you don't need to set anything, everything is already on a default mode. Alright, so as you can see, it has uploaded, and I'm going to press send. I only pasted my story and uploaded the image of the person I want to narrate. That is all I did. And if you don't have an image to upload, you can still leave it. You can see the way it's generating the whole video plant. It will make sure it generates the clip that aligns with your story that you pressed. As I'm seeing Mango Tree, I already know something good is going on because the story based on Mango stuff. And I didn't upload any Mango Tree except my narrator, right? So this is it thinking. You can see how long my story is. You can see how long it is. You can see how long my story is. Yes. So after uploading, I only upload the story. I didn't add any extra prompt or any extra thing. So after the whole thinking by itself, it will still start generating. it will still start you can see by itself, it start generating on its own. And if your make sure your internet connection is good, so it's going to like be very, very fast. Okay, so this is our video. It is ready. It is really, really ready. And that is how we got this video. That is how we got the video. Remember I told you they only allow one video per month. So I want to generate more videos. This is the video it generates. And somebody is asking me that my video has watermark. Yes, and the one I played earlier does not have watermark. I uploaded a video on how to remove watermark from more form of video. You can check it out on my channel and learn how to remove your watermark. So I created this one video only, and I want to create more. What can I do? What can I do? The only thing I do is, first of all, I make sure I download this video. After downloading it, click on this download icon over here to download. After downloading it, I went ahead back to the home page. So this is me on the home page. I click on these three lines over here where I press on that my Gmail icon which I wanted to log out. After logging out, I will log in with another Google account so I can generate another video. So if you have plenty Google accounts, you can generate plenty video as much as you can. And once it's another new month, you will start generating more videos again from those Google accounts, because it is 1 minute video per month. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe, like, because I'll be giving you updates on free tools that you can use. And even if we have another better tool that is better than this, trust me, I'll be updating you guys. So let me know in the comment section what you want me to cover and drop your question. I'm going to reply to them all. Don't forget to click on that subscribe button. Thanks for watching up to this moment. See you in my next video. And if you would like to watch the story, this is the continuation.
In a small village, there was a mango tree that stood alone in an open field. The villagers complained. Some said it was too tall. Others said it took too much space. A few wanted it cut down. But the tree just kept growing. Then a dry season came. Food was hard to find, but the mango tree stood strong and fed the whole village until the rains returned. The same people who complained were now grateful. The tree never changed itself to make anyone happy. It just kept doing what it was made to do. Lesson: stay true to who you are. Not everyone will like you, and that is okay. Just keep growing, keep giving, and the right time will show your worth. You cannot please everyone, but you can always be true to yourself.